In today's video, I'll be revealing a fresh new money-making method that will allow you to earn 20 cents per click. This money-making method could allow you to potentially earn up to $100 in passive income. This is the website that I'll be revealing to you shortly to help you earn money simply by clicking. So make sure you pay close attention to every step of this video till the very end, and I will reveal what this website is called shortly. But essentially, when you enter the website, it'll say right here that you can earn 20 cents for every click. As it states right here, you can get paid for every click. It states that they will pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. So let's do a little bit of math. 1 click equals 20 cents. That means 100 clicks will equal $20. So 500 clicks will equal $100. And then right here, it also states that everyone can join. You'll just need a PayPal account to receive your money. As it states right here, you'll be receiving your earnings by PayPal and will get paid at the end of every month. So you'll just be required to put your PayPal email address inside your account, where they will then send you all of your payments. So the name of this website is called entireweb.com. It's actually very similar to google.com, which is also a search engine. So I'm sure that you're familiar with what Google is and how it functions. Basically, you can just search any keyword or keywords you like, and hundreds or thousands of relevant resources will become available to you after you click search. Entire Web functions exactly the same. So when I type in a keyword like how to make money online and click search, all of the relevant resources and articles will appear right in front of you. It's very similar to Google, but they are newer to the market, which is why they are willing to pay you for every click. The reason why they pay is to incentivize more and more people to use their website. You can choose to become an Entire Web affiliate and refer people to this website so you can earn commissions. So every person that you refer to use this website by clicking or searching for something, you will earn 20 cents per click, which is incredibly powerful. You won't have to be selling or promoting anything. All you have to do is refer people to this website and recommend it so you can get paid per click and make money. So in order to become an affiliate for Entire Web, we must create a free account. So the first thing you need to do is click on this button right here that says Create Account. That will then redirect you to this page where you will fill out some basic personal information like your first name, last name, username, password, and a password confirmation. Then you can add the country that you reside in, and they accept any country all over the world. After you've completed filling in all of this information, you can then click on this box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on this button that says Sign Up. You can then begin promoting the Entire Web search engine to anyone and everyone online to then get clicks on complete autopilot. Now next, I'd like to share with you a bonus website where you can receive clicks automatically. So this website is called Hercules.com, and you are able to advertise any link you choose to promote completely for free. That means there is zero upfront costs or investments, and it's available in any country all around the world. So to get started, all you need to do is click right here where you will then receive a free $5 sign-up bonus. After you click on Get Started, you'll then be redirected to this page where you will need to add your first and last name, email, password, and then check this box to agree to the terms of service. After that, you'll want to check the box saying you're not a robot, and then finally, click on the button that says Create Account. After that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can select between either a free option or a paid option. There's no need to worry because we won't be spending any money. All you need to do is just choose the free option right here. Just click on this button that says Continue Free, and it will bring you to your account's homepage or dashboard. Next, what I'd like you to do is click on this button right here where you'll be submitting an email or a web ad, which will allow you to submit your ad for free on this website. So what I want you to do is scroll down until you find Regular Mailer right here. You can add a headline, a URL link, and then add your content. If you're learning a lot from this video, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to learn about more ways to make money online. So when writing in the subject headline for your emails, try and write something like brand new search engine that replaces Google, and then put Entire Web in parentheses at the end of it. Hercules functions in that it will allow us to send emails to thousands of people all across the world and completely automatically. No money is required to do this, which makes Hercules so incredible. After you've added your headline and subject line for your email, you will add a test URL link, which is your affiliate link. So whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link, they will be redirected to the Entire Web search engine. And whenever that person searches for something and clicks on literally anything on this website, you will earn 20 cents for every single click. So if you're an affiliate for literally anything else, this is a fantastic way to promote your affiliate link. So next, we're going to focus on the ad body, which is the actual content of our email. We can write something like, click on the link I added above so you can try out this new search engine that functions better than Google. Be sure to check it out yourself to learn more about it. So to get more people to click on this link, you can add the word free to incentivize people to click, because people are much more likely and willing to click on something when it doesn't cost them anything. So you can send out as many of these email ads as you'd like to literally thousands of people on Hercules.com. And a large percentage of those people who are sent this email are likely to eventually click on your affiliate link that you added. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.